Want to become a Pokemon master from the comfort of your keyboard? Today, I'm going to show you how to play Pokemon Go on your PC. First, you'll need an Android emulator. I recommend Bluestacks. It is a popular and reliable choice. Head over to Bluestacks.com and download the latest version for your operating system. Once the download is complete, run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to install Bluestacks. The process may take a few minutes, so be patient. After the installation, launch Bluestacks. You may be prompted to sign in with your Google account to access the Google Play Store. So log in to continue. Click on the Google Play Store icon. In the Play Store, search for Pokemon Go. Once you find it, click the install button and wait for the game to download and install within the emulator. Now, here comes the tricky part. To move around in the game, you might need a GPS spoofing app. Be warned. Using these can violate Pokemon Go's terms of service and can result in account bans if you choose to proceed. Research and download a reliable GPS spoofing app from outside of the Play Store. As most are not allowed, you can configure the location settings inside Bluestacks and then use the GPS spoofing app to simulate movement and go catch Pokemon. And there you have it. You can now play Pokemon Go on your PC. Remember, use GPS spoofing at your own risk. If you found this guide helpful, give the video a like and subscribe for more Pokemon Go tips and tricks.